One of the things that we do at our institution that is probably very, very common across the nation, we host summer research opportunity programs for students who are interested in applying to our programs. So, for example, if you're interested in going to medical school, we have a sort of pre-med summer program where we usually, under normal circumstances, bring you to the college, and you get to see what life is like as a medical student. You spend 7 weeks and you do research, and you get a chance to interact with the physicians and the medical students, and it's just a phenomenal, life-changing experience for those students. We have very similar programs, one that I direct for those who are interested in graduate school and the PhD route and becoming a research scientist. We put them in a laboratory for 10 weeks, and they interact with graduate students, our postdoctoral fellows. They get to do research. They often, at the end of it, will do presentations. But it's all really sort of, predicated on the fact that they're here on campus interacting. So the pandemic put a huge wrench into that. And we had to be really creative as to far as, what we were going to do. A lot of programs across the country were just simply canceling, saying, hey, we can't host students if our laboratories are closed down. One of the choices, the tough decisions that we made, we decided to host a virtual program. So this really involved thinking about the sort of opportunities that we provide those students. So we have a number of programs that target high school students and college students. But I'll just take the college student program, for example. This program typically will take college students, allow them to do research at an academic medical center. What we did instead, we taught them how to do grant writing. So there's the National Science Foundation has these fellowships for graduate students that will fund, your training. And we basically taught them how to write that grant. So they actually wrote one of those grants so that they could potentially submit for graduate school. And that's something that we wouldn't ordinarily do.